So before we came to the Stehegan, we watched the Mending Lines 3, which is about fathers and daughters, and it was awesome. I think that there's this great combination. It distracts you a little bit. You watch the video about, you know, people fishing and their experience, while sort of intertwined is this relationship between fathers and daughters, and what it was and what it is, and they are asked questions and they struggle with these questions, and you get to watch it from afar. So it's like it takes a little bit of the pressure off, right? And then you can sort of go, you can relate to something they said, or you could, that doesn't relate. But either way, now you're in it, now you're engaged. And so then as you go to pursue these questions, which I mean, I have to say, like, maybe there's 3 or 4, there's not too many, and they're deep, they're important questions.
It was very, very well done and on theme with, you know, each video that you watched, and then you would, you know, got to kind of percolate what they were talking about, and then it brought up things that you could think through, and then reading through the questions, you're like, oh, okay, I see how that correlates, and it was really good. Yeah.
You could feel yourself being moved gently along through to an end, you know, and the end was, for us, I think, this idea of like, now what will you do? You know, you've encountered a few conflicts or something in the past, and now what are you going to do with all this? And that was an interesting thing, and for us, we agreed to keep doing, they were on Friday evenings, to keep doing a Friday evening, read a book together. You're looking at the past, what's going on now, and then what's your hope for the future. It was really good.
Yeah, and it was the perfect length. Like in the beginning, I was like, oh wow, that's a lot of chapters. And then towards the end, I was like, oh man, I think we kind of stretched out the last one as far as we could, so that we could just keep doing them. I wish you guys had more.
Yeah. So it was very good.
It was very good. Thank you.